What's up, guys? Welcome to the ASAP Automotive channel, and today we're doing something a little bit different, something we're going to be trying to do a little bit more of on the channel, and that's reviews. And mainly on this one we're going to be, mainly more tool reviews. Today we're going to be talking about some oil filter sockets, so stay tuned. Okay, so on the channel, you guys see us doing a lot of like performance and off-road stuff, you know, with the LSTJ, stuff with my Corvette, some of our friends' cars, you know, where we're doing performance upgrades. But our bread and butter here at the shop is general automotive repair, and it's what we mainly do every day, day in and day out. And we do a lot of oil changes here. Well, that requires some special tools every now and then. Having the right tool for the job is always going to make the difference, especially when you're trying to get stuff in and out of shop and keep efficiency up. Now, there's a handful of different tools out there for these, but by far, I've had these things for about a year now, maybe a little over a year, but I have been so freaking happy with them. So what these are is they're actually, as you can tell by the thumbnail, these are the sockets for the Toyota oil filters. So you got two different ones. Smaller ones for like your little smaller cars like your Corollas, your Prius, your Camry, stuff like that. This one's for your bigger V8s, like the Sequoia, the Tundra, or whatever. I've tried a couple different ones of these. You know, when we first started seeing these in, I had to grab the tools real quick or something, trying to, you know, get these off, and they were junk. These are by far the best that I have found yet. What they do is, if you've done any of these yet, it's got, you know, these are canister type filters. They're not your typical spin-on filters. They're on newer model Toyotas. I want to say probably somewhere in the, I don't know, late 2000s, early teens, they started doing this on vehicles. But these fit right up on the actual filter housing. Now, you can try to go use one of those little ghetto stamp steel little filter cap wrench things or whatever. Have fun with that. Been there, done that in a pinch, and it was a nightmare. But these fit right on to the channels. They're nice heavy duty aluminum. They're very solid. We've used these things for a freaking year plus now. I mean, we use them at least probably 15 or 20 times a month on different oil change, different vehicles. And granted, we're not the hugest shop, but you know, for using them on oil change, that's a lot. And you can still see the finish. I've got a few little nicks here and there, but I mean, for day in, day out use, I mean, they cleaned up really well. I just took a little bit of brake clean to them and blew them off with the air nozzle, and that's it. After a freaking year of in and out use, they've held up that well. So by far, like, I am sold. They make a ton of other tools too for oil change stuff, different kind of special filters, drain tubes or whatever, oil filter wrenches and stuff. And in the, you know, as we go forward, we're definitely going to be buying more and more from them. They're actually up in the Washington area, actually where my wife's from, which is pretty cool. But I almost feel bad. I've saved this box for like a year. I kind of feel bad throwing it away because, like, I mean, look at this packaging. This is insane. It's a heavy built box, you know, nice, like embossed foam and everything, and to fit down in there. So, you know, if you're a DIYer or something like that and just got your tools at your house and big on organization and keeping tools clean, it's freaking awesome to keep them in. They clean right up really well. Like I said, that coating has taken over a year of brake cleaning it off many a time. So, and they were a really, really good deal. I think I forget what we spent on them. It wasn't much. You know, granted, from when we filmed this to where we are now, the price might change or whatever, but can't say enough. I've talked to these guys on the phone. They're great guys. We've talked to them about buying some more stuff from them. Just great product support too. So if you got something you think you might need for doing oil changes or whatever, they've probably got a tool for it. So hope you guys enjoyed this. This is some of the first of many of reviews we're going to be doing here on the channel. And hopefully this will help you out. We'll put a link to where you can you know, find these online or whatever, or a link to their website where you can actually see all the products they offer. So we're not sponsored at all. They didn't send us these. We went out and bought these and found these online, and just super impressed. I actually got them off Amazon at the time because I was in a pinch. The other stuff had failed me and left me hanging, and the last thing I want to do is damage a customer's oil filter housing. So, and these don't, you know, these definitely don't. They don't mar it up or anything. They fit great on and off every time, no problem. Especially if some Yahoo at Jiffy Lube or whatever, you know, Walmart over tightens a stupid thing or whatever, gets ham-fisted with it. So they'll get it, you know, bust it right off, because you can get either a wrench on there or a 3/8 socket or a ratchet, whatever. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to leave us, you know, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, remember, stock is not an option. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching again. If you guys like the video and you think you want to be a part of this team, we're growing like crazy. We're hiring now. We are looking for a full-blown ASE certified technician, maybe somebody at least on the master level, and everything, you know, we can do diagnostics, AC, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested and think you'd be a good fit in this team, we've got all the information below to contact us. And remember, until next time, stock is not an option.